I noticed that when I go inside your office, there's a lot of athletes always sitting in here, all types of athletes, all sizes, all builds. Do you enjoy working with athletes, and why?
First, I love working with everybody. We know that.
It's a great disclaimer.
Right? I love everybody. It doesn't matter who they are, I love them. I do have a lot of athletes that I work with, and I mean, obviously, if I love everybody, then the subset is I love athletes. The reason why I love working with athletes is because they do care so much about their body. Here's a small subset of people I don't love working with, and I'll say this real quick, and this also explains why I love athletes so much. When I first started, there was an attorney who I was able to help. He came to my office and I fixed him up. He played basketball, and I met him, and he had an ankle problem, and didn't want to have surgery, and I was able to help him do some extremity work on him, and he loved me, and he started sending me these no-fault patients. And although some patients who've been in car accidents definitely have problems, I found that a lot of these patients were more focused on how much money they were going to get than on their ability to get better. And I immediately said, I don't want any more no-fault patients, because for me, the passion I bring to help somebody, I want that person to have the same passion and commitment. The athlete has that same passion and commitment. You know, they want to focus on their nutrition. They want to focus on the minute details to make themselves better. And so for that reason, they bring that passion, and it allows me to feel, you know, the passion I have, it allows me to express it more openly.
For sure.